Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will show how to fix BSOD errors on Windows 11, particularly those related to NTFS, and get your system running smoothly again. This video provides step-by-step solutions to common blue screen of death errors, helping you troubleshoot and resolve issues with your Windows 11 operating system. Let's get started. First, you need to open the Advanced Recovery settings. To get the Advanced Recovery option, open Settings and go to the System tab. Then look for the Recovery option and open it. Here you can see Advanced Startup under the Recovery option. Click Restart Now to access that option. The system will restart, and you will get the Advanced Recovery option. Here is the menu. Click on the Command Prompt option. Then try to open all your available drives on my PC. First, try to open C drive, : then type the command chkdsk /f/r/c : and hit Enter. Check Disk will repair the C drive for any errors. After completing, do the same process for all your available drives and restart the system. Also, do one last thing. Remove your RAM module from the motherboard slot. Then clean both the RAM and the RAM slot and reinsert it. Also, check for any damage to the RAM. If any damage is found, replace it with a new one. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.